Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join Grow a Garden Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your browser and then you can search for Grow a Garden Discord server like this. And then this website will appear and you just need to open up this website. And after you have opened this website, you will be able to join the server. Okay, and then you will get the invitation to join the Discord server of the Grow a Garden, and you just need to click on accept. Okay, and after that, you will be able to join the Grow a Garden Discord server. Okay guys, now it's done. I have already joined the Grow a Garden server on Discord. Okay, and that's all the way to join Grow a Garden Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.